champion, Eric Meichel. This side, the heavyweight division, Stephen White. Alright? Alright. Let's get ready to fight, right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's get it on. Come on, show them the respect.
Bare ass Godzilla. Oh. Oh, shit. Alright. There. We're going. Get tired right here. Bare ass Godzilla. Bring that power. Bare ass Godzilla.
I'm a break. You know what? When you guys fight, there's only 2 breaks. Pause it. Alright, this is round 2. You ready? Ready? Go.